Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.6, Problem 5. This is Section 3.6, Problem 5. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have the fraction 1/8, write it as a decimal. Now, if you have a calculator that you can use, what you do is you do the numerator of the fraction divide by the denominator, in this case 1 divided by 8 equals, and you'll get the answer right away, if you have a calculator. Now, if you don't have a calculator, you write a division symbol, and whatever the numerator of your fraction is, that'll go under the division symbol. And whatever the denominator is, it will go in front of the division symbol. So now we want to divide 8 into 1. Well, 1 is just absolutely not big enough. So what we have to do is write it as 1.0, pretend it's a 10, but that decimal will come straight up into our answer. So now 8 divides into 10. It goes in once. 1 times 8 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now, it didn't fit in evenly yet, so I can really just fill in another 0. 1.00, bring that next 0 down, and now we're going to divide 8 divided into 20. Well, 8 divided into 20 will go twice. 2 times 8 is 16, and now 20 minus 16 is 4. Still didn't go in evenly. So I can fill in another 0. I can keep going with as many zeros as I need. So now that next 0 that I filled in, let's pull it down next to the 4, so it's written as a 40. Now, 8 divided into 40, that goes in evenly. It goes in 5 times. So I put a 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, the remainder is 0, so it fit in perfectly. So the decimal equivalent of 1/8 is 0.125. And like the other problems, if you like to, you can write a 0 in front of that, 0.125. If you don't put the 0, that's okay too, just 0.125.